Welcome to this video about the Zeekr 7X. In this episode, we will cover everything that you need to know about this highly anticipated SUV, which was just unveiled in the Chengdu International Auto Show. The Zeekr 7X is now officially available for pre-order, exclusively in the Chinese market for now. Stay tuned as we dive into all exciting details and features that have been revealed so far.
In the ever-evolving world of automotive design, elegance and functionality often go hand in hand, especially when crafting the contours and proportions of luxury SUVs. The latest model epitomizes this blend, showcasing an exquisite design that captures both the eye and the imagination. At the heart of this vehicle's appeal is its elegant body contour. With a design that exudes sophistication, every curve and line has been meticulously sculpted to create a silhouette that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also aerodynamically efficient. This elegance in design is more than just visual, it reflects a harmony of form and function that defines luxury in the modern SUV. Building on the foundations of traditional luxury, the classic luxury SUV silhouette of this model has been reshaped to perfectly blend elegance with practical functionality. The designers have managed to retain the timeless appeal of the classic SUV while incorporating modern elements that enhance both performance and style. This harmonious combination ensures that the vehicle remains relevant in today's fast-paced world, where design and functionality must coexist seamlessly. Drawing inspiration from nature, the dawn sky silhouette line is a defining feature of the vehicle. Inspired by the light of dawn breaking through the mist, the line runs smoothly from the A-pillar to the C-pillar, culminating at the roof. This fluid motion gives the vehicle a dynamic and powerful presence, embodying the energy and promise of a new day. It's a design that speaks to the vehicle's strength and grace, making it a standout on the road. Proportion is key in automotive design, and this model achieves perfection with its 0.618 golden body ratio. The visual axis, formed by the extended front and rear windscreen lines, creates a ratio of 1.618 to 1, known as the golden ratio, a principle of design revered for its inherent balance and harmony. This ratio ensures that the vehicle maintains a poised and balanced stance from every angle, offering a visual experience that is both pleasing and natural. In conclusion, the meticulous attention to design, from the elegant body contour to the golden ratio proportions, highlights the artistry involved in crafting a luxury SUV. This vehicle is not just a mode of transport, it's a testament to the enduring appeal of well-balanced design, where every line and proportion is carefully considered to create a masterpiece on wheels. Now that we've explored the elegance and design philosophy behind the Zeekr 7X, let's take a closer look at how it compares in terms of price and dimensions. The Zeekr 7X is priced below both the Tesla Model Y and Volkswagen ID.4 in China, yet it competes strongly in terms of size with premium models like the Audi Q8 e-tron and BMW iX. Its dimensions strike a perfect balance between presence and practicality. With a generous length of 4,825 mm and a robust width of 1930 mm, the Zeekr 7X sits comfortably in the mid to large SUV segment, offering ample interior space without feeling overly bulky on the road. The height of 1,666 mm and a substantial 2,925 mm wheelbase further enhance its stability and ensure a spacious, comfortable experience for both front and rear passengers. This combination of competitive pricing and impressive dimensions makes the Zeekr 7X a compelling choice in the luxury SUV market, appealing to those who prioritize both interior space and affordability without compromising on road presence and practicality. The Zeekr 7X showcases a meticulously crafted design that blends aesthetics with functionality. The ant-like front hood design creates a seamless and integrated look, while the floating roof design connects the front, roof, and rear windows into a nearly seamless whole, giving the vehicle a sleek, modern appearance. The flowing side profile emphasizes the SUV's powerful stance, with light and shadow enhancing its contours. Finally, the pure details embody the hidden energy concept, elevating the overall luxury and visual sophistication of the vehicle. The Zeekr Stargate lighting system is a remarkable blend of luxury and advanced technology, setting new standards in automotive lighting. With a 93-inch light curtain that offers an impressive 310 degrees ultra-wide field of view, it ensures maximum visibility and safety. The system is equipped with 1831 high-power LED light beads, providing exceptional brightness and clarity on the road. Moreover, it boasts a lifespan 5 times longer than standard automotive lights, making it both a durable and efficient choice. This integration of cutting-edge light technology with luxurious design underscores Zeekr's commitment to enhancing the driving experience through innovation. As we transition from the exterior to the interior of the Zeekr 7X, the focus shifts to its luxurious and spacious cabin. The interior is meticulously crafted to create a cocoon-like atmosphere, with immersive wraparound seating that envelopes passengers in comfort and visual richness. The dashboard's structured lines seamlessly integrate with the cabin, fostering a sense of harmony. Piano-style central control buttons enhance convenience, placing frequently used functions within easy reach, while customizable options allow for personalized control. The cabin's ambience is further enriched by ambient surround lighting, a 4,673 mm light strip with 11 ambient sources that reflect off wave pattern panels, creating a serene atmosphere. Completing the sensory experience, the Zeekr Sound Pro premium audio system delivers immersive sound with 21 speakers and 2160W of power. This 7.1.4 system supports Dolby Atmos, ensuring rich, detailed audio throughout the cabin. These elements not only complement the Zeekr 7X's exterior elegance but also establish new standards for luxury and comfort. The luxuriously spacious interior maximizes space with an industry-leading 83.34% utilization rate, a metric derived from the ratio of the interior vehicle length, 2,438 mm, to the wheelbase, 2,925 mm. This efficient use of space is further highlighted by 32 storage compartments strategically placed throughout the cabin, ensuring a clutter-free environment. In the rear, the Traveler's Magic Rear Trunk enhances functionality with 616 liters of storage capacity, which can be expanded by an additional 765 liters when the rear seats are folded down, bringing the total storage capacity to 1,381 liters. Additionally, the 62-liter electric front trunk adds further practicality. This thoughtful combination of space management and luxury ensures the Zeekr 7X is perfectly equipped for any adventure, balancing comfort with practicality. For comparison, the Zeekr 7X can accommodate 3 suitcases, 28 inches, 2 suitcases, 20 inches, and 1 suitcase, 16 inches, whereas a BMW X5 typically fits 3 suitcases, 28 inches. This thoughtful combination of space management and luxury ensures the Zeekr 7X is perfectly equipped for any adventure, balancing comfort with practicality. But the experience doesn't stop there. The Zeekr 7X also redefines comfort with its all-around panoramic seating, featuring luxurious Nappa full-grain leather that enhances comfort by 20% over standard Nappa. The seats are not only skin-friendly, dust-proof, and stain-resistant but also offer advanced comfort functions, including ventilation, heating, memory, and massage options. This MPV-like standard elevates the SUV experience to new heights. Moving to the rear, the Zeekr 7X offers a private rear row space that rivals luxury MPVs, ensuring maximum comfort for all passengers. The Sofari electric combination sofa allows for a 215 mm sliding distance, with seats that can recline up to 134 degrees and an integrated 355 mm electric leg rest, providing a first-class seating experience. The thoughtful design extends to the physical anti-UV electric sunshade, covering an area of 1.35 square meters and offering 100% UV protection with a one-touch electric operation, ensuring a comfortable and protected environment, especially in summer. Additionally, the rear dual-side electric sunshade, with dimensions of 380 mm by 685 mm, achieves an 85% shading rate, adding another layer of privacy and comfort for rear seat passengers. However, the true essence of innovation within the Zeekr 7X's interior lies in its integration of cutting-edge technologies, transforming it into a smart, interactive environment that elevates the entire driving and passenger experience. At the heart of this innovative interior is the 8295 Smart Cabin Computing Platform, which uses cutting-edge 5nm manufacturing technology. This platform significantly enhances the car's interaction capabilities, making every touch and command smoother and more responsive. It also allows for substantial upgrades in memory and bandwidth, setting the stage for future advancements and limitless possibilities. The ultra-smart 6-screen interactive system further elevates the Zeekr 7X's cabin experience. The system includes a 16-inch 3.5K mini-LED central control screen, which is the world's first automotive-grade quantum dot mini-LED display. This screen delivers a stunningly clear, high-definition picture with ultra-high contrast and rich colors, making every interaction visually pleasing. For rear passengers, the 13-inch 2K OLED smart screen offers a seamless blend of functionality and luxury. Integrated with the co-pilot seat, this screen can be paired with an exclusive electric desk that supports up to 20 kilograms, adding both convenience and sophistication to the rear seat experience. In addition, the 6-inch touch smart screen embedded in the rear central armrest puts control at passengers' fingertips, allowing them to adjust settings with ease, further enhancing the sense of luxury and personal space within the vehicle. With these state-of-the-art features, the Zeekr 7X not only provides a luxurious ride but also redefines what a smart cabin should be, merging cutting-edge technology with a refined interior design to create a truly interactive and immersive driving experience. The Zeekr 7X is engineered to deliver unmatched performance, thanks to its state-of-the-art 800V high-voltage system. This advanced system ensures rapid acceleration, extended range, and swift charging, optimizing both performance and efficiency for the most demanding conditions. With a CLTC range of up to 780 kilometers on a single charge, the Zeekr 7X is built for long journeys and daily commutes alike. The 100 kWh battery ensures this impressive range, while the 75 kWh Golden battery, which offers approximately 620 kilometers, provides a balanced option for those seeking both range and efficiency. The exact range of the 75 kWh battery will be revealed soon on this channel, so stay tuned. When it comes to recharging, the 7X continues to impress. The 75 kWh battery, with a maximum charging rate of 5.5 C, allows you to add 241 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. For even faster charging, the 100 kWh battery can add 546 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes, keeping you on the road longer with less time spent at charging stations. This combination of fast charging, extensive range, and superior battery technology makes the Zeekr 7X a leader in electric vehicle performance, designed to meet the needs of drivers who demand both speed and efficiency without compromise. Following the advanced battery and charging capabilities, the Zeekr 7X also stands out with its superior driving performance, ensuring that every drive is not only efficient but exhilarating. At the core of this driving experience is the ultimate driving control system. The Zeekr 7X accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds, showcasing its powerful performance capabilities. When it comes to stopping power, it boasts a 100 to 0 km per hour braking distance of only 34.9 meters, ensuring safety and precision under high-speed conditions. The electric motor provides a peak power output of 475 kilowatts, contributing to this remarkable performance. The Zeekr 7X further enhances its driving dynamics with a high-performance silicon carbide electric drive, which leverages advanced semiconductor technology to boost efficiency, ensuring that power delivery is both smooth and responsive. To maintain optimal comfort and performance across various driving conditions, the 7X is equipped with an air suspension and CCD electromagnetic damping system. This system offers a 70 mm adjustable range and can increase the ground clearance up to 230 mm, providing a balance between a smooth ride and superior handling. For those who seek adventure beyond paved roads, the off-road mode increases the vehicle's height by 45 mm, further enhancing ground clearance and off-road capability, making the Zeekr 7X versatile for any terrain. Together, these features ensure that the Zeekr 7X not only excels in terms of efficiency and range but also delivers an unmatched driving experience, whether you're on the highway or exploring rugged landscapes. Just like all Zeekr vehicles, the Zeekr 7X is engineered with a focus on maximum safety across all aspects, ensuring peace of mind for every passenger. The vehicle's safety structure is built using ultra-high-strength materials, including a 2,000 MPa super-long integrated hot-formed steel pillar, providing submarine-grade protection. This robust design is further enhanced by an all-in-one rear-end aluminum casting, which reduces deformation and improves structural integrity. The armor body safety design extends a 2,350 mm integrated hot-formed steel pillar from the A-pillar to the C-pillar, creating a strong and stable frame that significantly boosts safety. Additionally, the innovative rear-end aluminum casting decreases the number of components by 16%, reduces welding points by nearly 820, and minimizes deformation by 16%, ensuring the vehicle's durability and resilience. As with any new vehicle, we are eagerly awaiting the results of the Zeekr 7X crash tests. Rest assured, we will provide a detailed report on the crash test results as soon as they become available. But safety is not just about the physical structure. The Zeekr 7X is equipped with a highly advanced intelligent driving assistance system. Powered by dual Orin X intelligent driving chips, the system boasts a total computational power of 508 TOPS, meaning it can perform 508 trillion operations per second. This immense processing capability allows the vehicle to efficiently handle vast amounts of data from its sensors and cameras, ensuring that the driver and passengers are always supported by the latest in AI-driven safety technologies. Whether you're navigating through adverse weather conditions or complex road scenarios, the Zeekr 7X is designed to provide the utmost safety and driving confidence. Before we wrap things up, I have two special clips for you, accompanied by some fitting music. First, enjoy a quick recap of some of the key highlights from this video. Then, get ready to see the 7X tackle an off-road course. Music on. If you've been following along, you know this is the go-to channel for all things Zeekr. Mark your calendars for September 20th, 2024, when the official launch event for the Zeekr 7X will take place. I'll be sure to bring you all the latest updates right after the event. Plus, when the 7X hits your market, I'll dive deep into how it has performed in China, sharing insights from workshops, bloggers, and other experts. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
That's a wrap. Almost. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to keep this channel going and give a thumbs up if you'd like to support me. I'll be responding to your comments quickly, so feel free to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. See you next time. Bye bye.